Hello everyone, today we'll be showing you some simple creative designs or the crafts using these straws. So take different color straws, cut them and paste them in the shown shape. Now we will make its launcher. Take yellow straws, fix the rocket over it and it's ready. Next, we'll make a gun using these straws. So take different color straws, cut them as shown in the video, paste them together and your pistol is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will make a chair. So first we will take different color straws, cut them and then paste them together using glue gun. Now we will make its armrest like this, make it stand and it's ready. Next, we will make a bed. So first take pink color straws like this and join them. Now make its backrest like this and then we will make its front part. Make a heart shape using the straw and fix it all them together and it's ready. Next, we will make a vehicle. So first we will take water bottle caps and join them like this to make its wheels. Now we will make its body by fixing them like this. Now make its front and back part and it's ready. Next, we will make a chair. So take these straws, cut them and paste them together like this. Now make its backrest and then its handles and legs like this and your chair is ready. Next, we will make a swing. So first take the straw, cut it into small pieces and join them. Make the seat as shown in the video. Now we will make its rest of the body, make its side support and fix them all together and it's ready. Next, we will make a tricycle. So first cut these straws like this, make a round shape by pasting it and make its wheels. Now fix all the body parts like this and your tricycle is ready. Next, we will make these specs. So take a water bottle and then we will cut it into small pieces. Join them like this, make its side handles like this and your specs are ready. Next, we will make a toy. So first we will take these straws like this and fix them into a thread shown in the video. Now fix them one by one to make a cube. Now fix it and it's ready. Next, we will make a toy. So first take two water bottle caps and fix it using the thread like this. Now take the straw and fix it, stick its eyes, make its hand using the brush cleaner and it's ready. Next, we will make a gym equipment. So first we will take these straws and fix them into each other. Now take a tissue paper and draw a boy on it like this. Color it and cut it out and it's ready. Next, we will make a sword. So first we will take these straws like this and paste them one by one. Cut it from the sides. Now make its handle and then paste the paper on it like this and it's ready. Next, we will make a chair. So take the straw or a paper first and then make its seat by cutting it like this. Now take these straws and fix them using the glue gun. Make its backrest and then make its legs and it's ready. Next, we will make a bicycle. So first we will take a paper and fold it like this and paste them together to make its wheels. Now stick it. Now make its body, make its seat and it's ready. Next, we will make a cart. So first we will take a wooden cart and then cut it like this. Paste the wheels on the downside. Make its wheel using the water bottle caps. Now take a balloon and fix the pipe on it. Now blow the balloon and it's ready. Next, we will make a tricycle. So first we will stick the wooden sticks like this. Now make its wheel using the water bottle cap. Fix the pipe inside it. Paste all of them together and your bicycle is ready. So again we will make a bicycle. So take a wooden cardboard sheet to make its wheels. Cut them in a round shape and paste them. Now fix it as shown in the video. After that we will make a hole in the between and fix these straws like this. Now paste it using the glue gun. Fix the wooden sticks inside it. Now make its handle and its body. Make its seat. Next we will make its paddle. Now fix its wheels on the back like this. Paste all of them together and your bicycle is ready. Thanks for watching.